This is for the African people who always think that if you are now living or working in Dubai, Oman, or Saudi Arabia, you are now living under the money trees. Please watch this video. I brought this video because most of the Africans, when they call any Africans who are staying in Dubai, Oman, Saudi Arabia, what they always talk is about send for me money, send for me some money, send my share. Please watch this video. Sometime you may be annoying someone. Life in these places are not easy. Most of the Africans who are staying in these places eat only once in a day. Some of them eat only rice and sleep with it. The job they are doing in this place are not good job. People are just sacrificing themselves because of the little difference in payment to the African payment. Because of no job in Africa. That is why you see these people sacrificing themselves to work in these places. Many ladies have changed their life into prostitute because of no job in this place also. And some of you in Africa there, somebody suffered here, make some money, send for you home to do something important. You turn those money for your luxurious life. I want to tell you the truth. There are very many ladies who are trusted and they make some money in these places and they send home for some good things. Someone eat their money. They are killing themselves in these places. They are making suicide. Others, they are falling from the story building, killing themselves because somebody misused their money. Watch this video so that when you ask for money, ask for something which is very important. Ask for money for something which is reasonable. You don't ask money for senseless things. People are really suffering in this place. Please watch the video so that you know what to talk. You know what to say when you are talking to anybody living in Dubai, Oman, Saudi Arabia. There are other ladies. People are duplicating in their mouth. People are urinating in their mouth just because of job. And you home there, you put all your aim is just on these people. You don't want to work at home there. You don't want to do anything. You are always demanding from them. Please, you are knowing some of these people. People are really suffering. People are just sacrificing. I wish it is you to come and test the life of this place. I wish it is you to come and enjoy the life of these places. Don't think what you see, the building and the transport means and the other luxurious life you see, you think this place is a very nice place. People are just suffering here. Watch the video, please.